the Igbos, they decided just to cause problem in the country.
What is the problem?
The problem I'm telling you is because they know the truth. Since all this while they have been trying to cause problem, but no problem, and everybody knows what they are doing. If you watch here, I'm from River State, I'm from Wike. We are here in our business place, everywhere is open, everybody is doing well, all the shop here is open. But if you go to their own side of shops, everywhere has been locked by them. They know what they are doing. This meeting has been done by them, they know. They know what they are doing. They are trying to sabotage the government of Tinubu. But no problem.
How is that concerned? People are not coming out. The shops are locked up.
That's what I'm telling you.
5% of shops.
That's what I'm telling you. As I'm coming out now this morning from my house, all the whole Igbo shop, plumbing material, building material, every other thing has been locked. They did that meeting and they caught them. Now everybody should lock down their shop.
Okay, so this guy had me very confused because I was under the impression that the Igbos, they are the one that caused the strike. According to the earlier video that I shared, and you guys saw that a lot of people, some people in different parts of Nigeria think that the ones responsible. Even Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State, seemed to suggest that Igbos are also responsible. Again, that's not that way from another day. How your own state governor is coming and saying and blaming you guys for the protest.
Simple thing we can do as obedient and law-obeying citizens is to follow the advice of the professionals and discourage our people from coming out on the street. Now they're out there now in Lagos, looting shops. They're out there in Kano, looting shops. They're in Meduguri, killing and looting shops. And victims are members of people's family.
So I watched that interview a few times, and I think what the governor there was saying was that please don't protest, stay at home, in line with what all the other governors are saying. Don't go out. The police does not have the manpower to be able to support the protesters, and things will go out of hand. You know, so if you watch that full interview, I think that's the message he was trying to get around. But towards the end of that interview, he seemed to suggest that our people, you know, it's like, oh, if our people are out there. It seems to suggest that our people are out there, they are looting, causing violence, and if these are people out there destroying things, it's also going to affect us, the Igbos. Now, he said the citizens of Nigeria, you know, so, but the Igbos also involve and include the citizens. So, and I know maybe it might be seen as I'm taking it out of context, but the point I want to make is as a governor, you're supposed to be very sensitive and know how to communicate very clearly. That's part of the responsibilities of a leader. A leader is someone who has very good communication skills. You don't send one message that can be interpreted as something else. On one that you are saying all the Nigerians are protesting and looting, the Igbos are here, he's advised them to be quiet and peaceful, which most of them, by the way, they are doing the sit at home. They don't want to get involved. It's not that they agree with what Nigeria is doing. So it's important to be very clear, and I don't want you guys leaving comment and saying, oh, I'm twisting what the guy said. No.
I will start from that Ikwere man. That Okoko, that called himself Ikwere man. He's not an Igbo. It was the Igbos that caused mayhem in Nigeria. If he's not an Igbo man, he should stop answering Ikwere man. Because Ikwere is Igbo language. What do you mean? What is the meaning of Ikwere? Have you agreed? Ikwere, have you agreed? Then you are answering Igbo name, built in Igbo land, and the fact that you are not Igbo. The Igbos are the ones that are causing the problem. How do Igbo cause the problem? Because they don't want to die. They don't want to be a sacrificial lamb. As it happened in the time of NSAS, as the Dokubo was boasting with it up to now, Wike was boasting with it up to now, they dealt with Igbos in the name of IPOB. You kill your own brother. You are boasting of it. Your own blood brother. What is the meaning of Wike? Nwa Ike. They call him Wike. And this Iberiberism in timberline, selling wood, planks, came and said Igbos are the problem. Igbos are trying to frustrate the program or agenda of Mr. President. In what way? Apart from this, don't be selling ministerial posts he gives to people like what's his name? former governor of Ebonyi State, Davis Umai. Apart from that type of don't be stealing posts he gives to them, appointment he gives them as ministers. Where did Igbo man near the government of President Ahmed Tinubu that we are trying to frustrate him? Is it Igbo man that causing the riot in North? Is it Igbo man that broke the APC B-box in North? The one that demonstrated in Rivers by Ijo people. Is it Igbo that demonstrate against Tinubu? Is it Igbo that protest against Tinubu? Igbo did not do anything. They did not protest against Tinubu. They did not do anything against Tinubu. We are still accusing them that they are the cause of the problem. That Iberibe man that don't know where he come from, that don't know his roots, don't know where his ancestral lineage. See, he's not Igbo man. Then what are you? If he's not Igbo man, is he Ijo man? Is he Ichakiri? Is he the Ibibio? Is he Fulani, Nupe, TV, or Yoruba? What is he? What is his tribe?
Are they different Igbos in Nigeria, or the Igbos in the southeast? Are they different from the Igbos in Port Harcourt?
My brother asked me, whether we have fake Igbos or the original Igbos. Whether we have Igbos that are strangers and Igbos that are indigenous. Ask me, all of us are Igbo before Govt bring his divide and rule in 1968 when he created 12 states in Nigeria and called these people rivers. Before there's something like rivers. The only thing we hear Port Harcourt because of the town. They are the people that loot their brother's property when river start to fall and people run away. That Okoko that is his timberline said Igbos are the problem. They know. Explain how Igbos are the problem. He said they know. If he's wise, he knows the Igbos are the problem, and he knows how Igbos solve the problem. He could have explained that problem. Could explain how that Igbos are trying to frustrate the effort of Mr. President. But he said they know. They know what? They know that he's a stupid man. Don't know where he come from. Had it been he called his, I was listening whether he called his name. I could have yabbed him, messed him up. I could have messed him up. I will call his name and abuse him well.
You are so upset about this.
You don't know where he come from. They are the people that don't know where they start beating them. And they will not know where they stop beating them. They are those people. If Ikore man, is Ikore fall from heaven? Where is Ikore originated? Where is the origin of Ikore? I am an Igbo man, Igbo tribe, but I have my own town. I have my own local government. Will I say my own local government or my own town is not Igbo? Look at them. People betraying themselves. Igbos lock the shop. And he came here, he opened his shop. As you open your shop, how many people do you see pass in front of your shop? And Igbo people stop them, don't pass. How many people have come to buy something? The wood you are selling. For these 10 days, some people came to buy. As you open your shop, a good man, good citizen, patriotic Nigeria, who loves Tinubu. How many people came there to buy goods from his hand? And Igbo people came and said, don't buy, go home, because there was a protest. How many people? People just became mad when they want to shine or want to speak. They will present Igbo man. I don't blame him. If it's not southeast, mess themselves up. I don't blame him. This band, I'm telling you honestly, anytime Biafra get ready, get ahead, he's the number one to say he's Igbo man. Real Lawson from Kalabari, Kesarawiwa, from Ogoni. All of them were in the Biafra State House, Enugu that time. The day Ojukwu was declaring Republic of Biafra. Ray Lawson was the one who sung, "Oh Biafra, oh the land of freedom. Oh Biafra, the land of freedom. No matter what enemies are doing, Biafra must stay. No matter what enemies are doing, Biafra have come to stay." Ray Lawson from Calabari. But at the end, what happened? He denied himself that he's not Biafra, he's not an Igbo man. Go watch all the host music of Ray Lawson that time. Most of them were with Igbo language. They claimed that they were Igbos when the going was going on. But when the going get tough, Ray Lawson denied that he's not an Igbo man again. Even he don't participate. He don't know what to call Biafra. He's not a Biafra man. He's not a supporter of Biafra. Kesarawiwa was among them in that setup to Ojukwu when Biafra was declared. But when the going get tough, Kesarawiwa escaped, run away, and meet the Nigerian army, soldiers in rivers, as of they call them, and start sabotaging Biafra. He was the one, because Kesarawiwa go school, secondary school, in Queen's College, Omahia. Queen's College, Omahia, that's the place he go to also. So he know all the whole Apia Road, all the whole bush track. He was the one that lead Nigerian army to cut off Biafrans. They came from back. And look at how Kesarawiwa died in terms of Abacha. What kills Kesarawiwa? One Nigeria. What kills Kesarawiwa? Resources of oil, which Ojukwu was fighting for them to have. The same thing, Kesarawiwa came to fight. And the detail took his head. You see him? Have you seen it? Now, this man that call himself Ikore man, Igbos are the problem of Nigeria. Igbos are want to forsake the effort of the disappearance. I'm telling you honestly, if you don't take time, you will die like a Kesarawiwa. You will die like a Sikataka, and everybody will just over him. Unless you repent and amend his utterances against Igbos. I say he says not Igbos. They are the people that seize Igbos property, abundant property. No matter what the West are doing now, no matter what the North are doing now, there was no abundant property. Igbos abundant property in the West here. There was no Igbos abundant property in the North. No Igbos abundant property in Cross River and Akwa Ibom. Even in those states now, there's no Igbo abandoned property. It's only in rivers you have abandoned property. Igbo people, Ikore people, grab the buildings and the property of their brothers and hold it and say that it's abandoned property. The only abandoned property you may say in Lagos was Queen Drive, Ikoyi, where Sir Louis Ojukwu was living in here. Ojukwu came back and go and reclaim it, and they give it to him. Mudashiru, the governor of Lagos at that time, want to prove stubborn head. They went to court. Ojukwu won Lagos State under Mudashiru and took his house, his father's house back. But look at it, Ikore man. If you know that he's not an Igbo man, let him stop answering Ikore man. Ikore is Igbo name. And let him quit on the land he is. It's Igbo land. No matter what happens, Igbo land. Before, who knows River State? Before, the name of this River State was Igwe Ocha, Igbo name. Because you know, when you reach where Bar Beach, like if you reach in beach, when you look at the ocean, everywhere is pure white in daytime. Nothing you can see. Or wherever you are, nothing you can see. The name was given to him, that place, Igwe Ocha. Before Gowon changed it in 1968 and call it Rivers. Port Harcourt had been existing because of the man, the British man who came there and discovered it. His name was somebody Harcourt. I have forgotten the other name, but it's somebody Harcourt. Because of it, they give that seaport, Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt. That is how only Rivers and the High Court came. Then people who did not know their history, who did not know their origin, will come out and be saying nonsense. It's because of these people that Nigeria removed history from Nigerian school curriculum. So that the people like this, animals like this, will not know their history, will not know where they come from. And this Mumu following them, agree on it. May God have mercy upon him in Jesus' name.
So the man is totally wrong with what he said as regards, you know, Igbo. He doesn't know that he himself is
Igbo.
He's an Igbo man.
Don't ask him the language he's speaking now. What is Yoruba language or Hausa language or Fulani language?
I think he said he's Igbo. I think he admitted that he's Igbo.
If he said he's Igbo, he cannot say Igbos are the problem because he included himself. He said he's an Ikore man. Igbos are the problem. As for Usodimma, everybody knows him as a controversial man. Everybody who knows him as a man of darkness, who don't do anything that is right. You always do anything that is wrong to please his paymasters. Now, Buhari have come down. He faced Tinubu now to please Tinubu. His son is anybody that is in power. He can sell anything sellable, Igbos, to get favor from the man. But remember how many days now? His tenure will finish. But 2.5 years now. Or 3 years now. His tenure will finish. He will go into silent like Rogers. Understand me? He will go into silent like Rogers. He will go into silent like
you say we're going to silent. Is it not working well? Is it not? Or
he will go into silent like actually
politically it will be politically dead after serving as governor of Imo State.
Now you see alive. It's a working coffin. It's the federal power that's holding him. You know that the people of Imo State don't need him. You understand?
Inside Nigeria, outside Nigeria.
So I'm telling you, after he hand over power, he will be a political fugitive. He will be a fugitive in Igbo land. Throughout the whole Biafra land, southeast, he will be a fugitive. You understand? Usodimma will be a fugitive. The ghost of the people he have killed with a bubago and other things will rise up against him and pursue him. Even he cannot travel outside the world, he will only remain in Abuja in self-house arrest in Abuja because of fear of what they have done. So we should forget about the man talk. Forget about him. Thank you.